The United States government is cracking down on Cuban medical missions across the world, accusing Cuba of labor exploitation and threatening to revoke visas of foreign government officials involved in Cuba's labor export program. General Secretary of the People's Progressive Party Civic and the sitting Vice President Jagdeo says CARICOM is engaging the Trump administration on the issue.
I can assure you that there is a regional as well as national engagement with the U.S. State Department on these matters.
The United States' position is that the labor programs run by the Cuban government is enriching the Cuban regime. The U.S. also argued that those involved are complicit in the exploitation and forced labor of Cuban workers. Guyana's vice president believes that Cuban professionals are invaluable to Guyana's healthcare system.
We want to have Cuban professionals work in our health system. They have been an invaluable support to our health system, but we also want to ensure that they have free choice.
The new U.S. policy prompted several Caribbean leaders to denounce the plans, stressing the importance of Cuban medical staff working across the region. Some Caribbean leaders have reportedly said they would forego their visas in a staunch resistance to the new U.S. policy. Is Guyana prepared to do the same?
We don't do diplomacy in the public. And I believe we have a strong engagement with the Trump administration and with the State Department that would allow this matter to be resolved to the satisfaction of all parties.
Guyana has, for decades, benefited significantly from the Cuban scholarship program, especially in training of doctors and also the provision of members of the Cuban Medical Brigade. Travis Chase, HGP Nightly News.